बातें किसी तरह के सेमिनार्स करते हैं इंस्पायर। कुछ ऐसे ही मकसद के साथ सिख अमेरिकन चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स organized a leadership summit in Manhattan, New York. The summit was a forum wherein the chambers highlighted and recognized three highly successful and accomplished Indo-American business leaders. The distinguished speakers also led a panel discussion on the topic leadership styles in a professional setting.
The Sikh American Chamber of Commerce Leadership Summit brings together the global leaders with very wide perspective on leadership styles और कुछ इसी मोटिव के साथ 2015 SACC Leadership Summit का आयोजन हुआ न्यूयॉर्क में, which proved to be a platform to meet and network with highly successful and influential fellow Sikh professionals in New York and New Jersey area.
These are individuals. Ravi Arora is a successful business professional. He's a group head for MasterCard. Then we have Jasveer Gill, who sold his previous venture to SAP. Now he's working on another venture known as Alert Enterprise. And third gentleman is Smeet Tully, who built a company called DataWind. Very successful. You could buy his tablet for under $100. So these are successful. We're here to celebrate their success and how we can succeed in a business setting.
I'm at the Sikh Association Chamber of Commerce, and we're talking to three leaders of our community. That is Jasveer, Sunit Tully, and Ravi Arora. And I think the three lessons that we learned from them was be true to yourself, love what you do, and think big. And that was really the main message that came across from tonight. It's been wonderful being here, and look forward to seeing you guys again. Take care.
इस समिट की थीम रही लीडरशिप स्टाइल्स इन अ प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग। साथ ही यहाँ रिकॉग्नाइज और सेलिब्रेट किया गया एशियन अमेरिकन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की जर्नी एंड सक्सेस को।
SACC works towards gathering support for our community through commerce-based initiatives, be it Partner Connect, Mentor Connect, Family Connect, or Career Connect. Through these platforms and the events, we give you an opportunity to connect with the right people, right businesses, right institutions for you to grow. Connect is the word. It is very important for us to be connected within our community and learn from the champions and successful folks out there. And that's where SACC comes into picture. SACC provides you a platform to connect you with these people. I'm very happy to be a part of this organization who's working towards betterment and success of our community members through this organization.
Well, it's my first time attending this event. A friend of mine said, can you come along with me? I said, sure. I think it was really wonderful to, see people who have done it successfully in their careers. I've done MBA in my life and I've listened to plenty of people, but it's good to listen from someone from your own community in certain ways, All of these guys who are speaking in the panel, they're from India, most of them, and they have successfully established their careers to start companies. So it's wonderful to be here in an event in some ways that you'll learn a lot from people who are sort of have done it the way you're starting your careers at.
Ultra Restaurant न्यूयॉर्क में ऑर्गेनाइज इस समिट के थ्रू द सिख अमेरिकन चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स ने आगे बढ़ाया अपने उस मिशन को, which is to promote entrepreneurship and substantially increase the success rate and involvement of Sikh entrepreneurs in the business community.
Well, बहुत कुछ बात